This tutorial will help you set up your gradebook so at the end of the year, all the marking periods are weighted the same, um, each equaling 25%. If you don't set the gradebook up like this, what could happen is if you don't have a lot of assignments in marking period 1, but many in marking period 2 and 3, marking period 2 and 3 would have a greater weight than marking period 1 or 4, and it would throw the grades off. So you're going to need to set up your year 1 to term weighting. So first you would go into your PowerTeacher Pro and you would choose your first class. For me, that would be Language and Word Study. Make sure you're not in homeroom. And you would click on the gear for settings and then to traditional grade calculations. You would find reporting term year 1 and you would click over to where it says actions, and where it says total points or whatever it has in the box, you will choose term weighting. You will see that marking period 1 appears and that's 100%. Now you are going to click the plus sign and now you will go back over, change the second box to term weighting, and now you'll see marking period 2, and now they're each 50%. So you keep repeating this until you get to marking period 4, keep changing it to term weighting, and adding a new box. Make sure you change the boxes to term weighting, so when you get to marking period 4, all of them will have equal 25%. So at this point, you are going to save what you did for that class. Now, you can stop there and you could do this for every class by changing from language and word study to reading, then to math, and repeat the process that you just did. Or an easier way is to stay in language and word study, and you're going to go to the gear right here, and you are going to click it, and you're going to click Copy Traditional Grade Calculations. It's the only choice when you go there. At this point, you're going to click to another class, and you will click to the class that you already did, which was language and word study. Now where it says where you're going to copy it to, you want to copy it to the whole year, not a certain marking period. So you're going to click 2018, 2019. You want this to go to all of your classes because you want them all to have equal term weights. So you will click the remaining classes. Homeroom is not necessary. Okay, so you will see listed all the classes that you want this to apply to, and you are then going to click Validate. Now when you go back, you definitely want to save. Oh, I'm sorry, you definitely want to click Copy. I apologize. Now when you go back and you look into your other subjects, the next one being reading, you will have your term weighting. If you looked in there, your term weighting is already done for you. So you don't have to do that. And I hope this helps. Any concerns or questions, just contact me.